Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
But how do you make poses with the armor stands? In Bedrock Edition, you can pose the armor stand without commands by simply right-clicking on the armor stand while crouching. However, in the Java edition of the game, you have to input commands.
Make your mark, take our lead.
They can be killed by harming and decay splash, lingering potions, lava, fire, and campfires, and they play the player death sound and fall to their side and disappear, yielding no armor stand item. 5 August 2014.
Take our lead.
To turn your diamond armor into netherite armor, you need to get your hands on a smithing table. You can craft one by placing 2 iron ingots over a 2x2 square of wooden planks, or they can also spawn in villages. When you've got one, just grab a netherite ingot and combine the 2.14 September 2020.
Take our lead.
In the crafting menu, you should see a crafting area that is made up of a 3x3 crafting grid. To make an armor stand, place 1 smooth stone slab and 6 sticks in the 3x3 crafting grid. When making an armor stand, it is important that the smooth stone slab and sticks are placed in the exact pattern as the image below.
Take our lead.
In Bedrock Edition, the pose of the armor stand can be changed by sneaking and clicking on the pose button, or by using a redstone signal. There are 13 possible poses. Armor stands can also hold items by clicking on the equip button. 5 August 2014.
Make your mark, take our lead.
1 answer. Every tick, teleport the armor stand to the relative position of the player. Execute as at P at S anchored eyes run TP at E tag equals tag 1, caret squared. Every tick, teleport your own armor stand to face the new one. Execute as at E tag equals tag 2 at S run TP at S tilde facing at E tag equals tag 1, limit equals 1. Once you're done, kill the armor stand.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Players can use armor stands to hold armor, mob heads and pumpkins, and elytra. Commands can be used to give them other items. Armor stands can be customized further to have arms, pose, disobey gravity, dual wield and other things by summoning them using summon with NBT tags.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.